and in the theaters, not in the set. So everybody is talking in discipline, which I found that Mr. Nagi could speak in his volume and still be heard.
Yeah.
He mumbles, but he still heard in the set because that's how quiet the set is.
I ask these questions, because in my time we never had all these facilities.
Yeah.
So if we had to jump from the second floor, we actually jumped. There were no harnesses. You break your ankle, you break your leg, and everything.
it's very tough.
So it was a wonder for me how they were going to be able to do it. But I just marvel at the technology now. Kamal, you must have been through a lot of all this earlier on.
I think we've invested by breaking so many board now.
We never had these facilities, Prabha.
Yes, sir.
Never
I
had
know.
them. And to be able to now be part of it.
Yes.
And to have, little cameras like this who are recording everything on digital.
Yeah.
For us, as you may be knowing that, celluloid film was the most expensive item in the budget of a film.
Yeah.
Because it was not available. It used to get imported from Kodak. And to save celluloid film, you had to be sure that your first take was okay.
Yeah, that's a reputation.
You
that
can't make a mistake.
Yeah.
I mean, I remember Rishida used to say, Rishida, just one take. No, first take, okay. He's saving celluloid, but he's also satisfied with it.
Yeah.
And if you insisted that, take it, you pay for it. It's like that. We never had an opportunity to see, what they call monitors, yeah.
No
And we were not allowed to go near the camera also. We had to pay a fine if we were.
Yeah, they'll all applaud and
If you got a
charge
chance
money.
to look through the...
Nothing, never allowed. Not even allowed to go to the editing room. I mean, it was impossible. You saw yourself for the first time on the day of the release of the film.
Yes.
So all this has been a huge experience and a learning for all of us, which is why, and Prabhas, I'm very sorry, all his fans.
The first time when we had a fight, you caught me here, and I thought
In the movie.
in the movie. So I thought Amitabh sir, I need to be careful and all. He caught me so hard, and this man is not whatever he's saying. He's some 25, 26. And I told him, he's so strong.
No, but a lot of things we did, we never ever expected we could manage this. And that is what is so intriguing with you.
I think also the sets, I think for the audience to know that we eventually, if I may say,
Built a city.
built
Cities,
land
worlds,
and
yeah.
built a city. And I think the fact that Nagi today has a vision where once the movie releases, I think fans of the movie can actually go and
And the
visit
vision
the
is
set.
unique
Yeah.
because the way they places the camera
Correct.
is not like we are used to.
Yeah.
He comes quite close to look at you.
Too soft.
And that's what you enjoy because
Yeah.
how do you act for camera is here?
Yeah.
So how do
In
you
our time, it used to be a challenge, Kamal.
Yeah.
And I still remember that one of the challenges for an artist used to be to give a close-up with a 75mm lens on a Mitchell camera, which was huge. And this huge monster used to come and stand here with a lens, and you have to do a close-up.
and it's a rack shift camera.
Yeah.
You can
So
hear
even
it.
the cameraman is not actually looking at the image, but is looking at parallax.
Parallax, yes.
And they didn't have monitors.
No
Nothing,
man, no monitor.
Nothing.
Oh.
And
So we're
the,
not used to, not seeing the director standing next to us on the set. We're always used to see where the camera is, the director, then he's guiding us.
Yeah.
We're not used to that. You just hear a voice somewhere, 2 miles away,
My.
Nagi shouting or whatever it is. But really, Deepika, you've done so many films, and I will say that you're a modern age artist. So
no, not only that, in the West. it has been
exactly,
there.
yeah.
So I think
How do you
nothing
Biggest
else is
international
surprising
ads ever.
like it does.
Anyone ever did. Louis
No, but it must
Vuitton.
have been.
Keep quiet.
It must have been a hell of an experience for you.
No, I think what I was processing as I heard the two of you speak is in terms of where we were, filmmaking and technology,
Yeah.
to now for all of us to be a part of a movie where I think every kind of technology that is available in the world today is probably at our disposal through this movie. And the fact that we have a director who's used it so intelligently, and also to find that balance, because also with AI and things like that, I think you can also lose the soul of performances, but I think to be able to find that balance between technology that's available to you but to also keep the performances real, I think is what makes this movie and this experience very special.
Yeah.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా ఐఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.